Hi students, you all are very warmly welcome for this online session. Now we are going to understand with the lesson number 3, and the name of the lesson is the Harappa civilization. What is the name of the lesson? Lesson number 3, the Harappa civilization. Dear student, one work was given to me that you have to complete the lesson number, exercise of lesson number 2. I hope you may have completed this all the exercise question number lesson number 1 and the lesson number 2. Here in the present video we are going to understand the Harappa civilization. That is very nice lesson. See, it's no something interesting we are learning from this lesson. The points which we are going to learn here: Harappa civilization, housing and town planning, seals and pots, the Great Bath, life in the Harappa civilization, trade, reasons for decline. These 7 points we are going to understand in this lesson. Now let's go next. Try this. Show the sites of Harappa civilization on an outline map of India. Here the question is given here. Let's solve this question. It's very easy. This is the map of India. See, and what is the question given? Show the sites of Harappan civilization on the outline map of India. Here is given sites. Which are the dots? These are the sites of Harappa civilization. Here you can see. Here I will show you it on the map. See, Mohenjo-daro. See these. Okay, these are the things which all come under, where you can find the dots, come under Harappa civilization. Yes. Now shall we go to the next 3.1? Here it is. Harappa civilization. Archaeological excavation first began in 1921 CE at Harappa in the Punjab on the bank of river Ravi. What is the first? Archaeological excavation. Archaeological excavation means at the early age. Yes, excavation means digging out at the early age, when the digging out has been started, and it has begun in 1921 CE, where at Harappa, the name of the place. And where is this place? It is in the Punjab on the river bank of Ravi. Yes. That is how this civilization came to be known as Harappa civilization, and because of that the name was given to it, Harappa civilization. Why, dear student, the name is given Harappa civilization? Because the archaeological excavation has been done at Harappa. Harappa is the name of place. So to this civilization name is given Harappa civilization. It is also known as Indus civilization, and its another name is Indus civilization. Excavation were also carried out at Mohenjo-daro, a place about 650 km to the south of Harappa in the Indus Valley. See, even the excavation I told, digging out, were also carried. It was carried where? At Mohenjo-daro. And where is this Mohenjo-daro? It is about 650 km at the south side of the Harappa, where it is in the Indus Valley. Yes. Now there was a striking resemblance between the remains of structure and artifacts found at two places, and something different, striking. Yes, they have found there at Mohenjo-daro. at two places. Similar remains have been found at Dholvira, Lothal, Kalibangan, Daimabad. See the names places they have given: Dholvira, Lothal, Kalibangan, Daimabad, etc. Understood? Here we have finished this page. Now we shall go to the next page. It is here only, page number 11. Generally, the same characteristics are seen all the places of Harappa civilization. When you see all the places that I have told you now, Dholvira, Lothal, Kalibangan, Daimabad, all the excavation, if you see, these all all they have same characteristics of the Harappa civilization. These include town planning, roads, constructions of houses, drainage system, seals, pots and toys, and burial customs. See the things which are similar, the constructions. See, town planning, roads, constructions of houses, these are the same. Drainage system, seals, pots and towels, toys, burial system are the same if you find this all the excavations of all the places. Now next is, can you describe the structure of houses in your locality? Wherever you are living, you have to find out the structure of houses. Now next, do they have flat roofs or tiled sloping roof? See, the houses which are there in your locality, you have to find which are the roofs of the houses are. Understood? Now next, housing and town planning. We can start it now. Housing and town planning. Third point 2. Housing and town planning. See, the houses and other structures in Harappa civilization were mainly built with baked bricks. The houses which we can get in the Harappa civilizations were made by baked bricks. The bricks were used for the houses were baked. In some places, unbaked bricks and stones were also used for constructions, and some places they used to use unbaked brick stones for the constructions. The houses had rooms built around the central courtyard, and the houses it had courtyard, and around the courtyard different rooms were there. The houses had wells. See, and those houses were there in the Harappa civilization had wells, bathrooms and toilets, as well as the houses had bathrooms and toilets. There were an excellent drainage system in which baked earthen conduct were used. See, and the houses were there. For that houses, excellent drainage system was there. Excellent drainage system was there. Yes. For what? How it was? It was baked earthen conduct were used. The street had covered drain, built with the brick, and the streets were there, roads were there, the drains were there nearby the roads. Those were covered. How? With the bricks. Yes, this shows great concerns regarding public health, and if you see these all the things, we understood they used to take care of the people and the public health. Understood? Now next, the streets were broad and laid out in a grid pattern, and see the streets they were had a different pattern. The roads, yes, houses were built in the rectangular block created by them, and the houses those were built in the rectangular blocks which were created by them. Now next, see here you can see Harappa civilizations, the drainage system, well is there, yes or no? These are all the things. Now next, Can you tell what problems regarding health and hygiene will arise if the drains are not covered? It is now still it's there. If we don't no cover the drainage, the mosquitoes will be there. People will get different kinds of fever. Yes. Now next, the towns were divided into two or more sections, and each section had separate fortification. Now see, they are here discussing about the towns. These towns, those were divided into two more sections. Yes, and each sections had the fortifications. See, here I will explain you fortification means in Marathi it's called the Tatbandi. Now next, try this. Cut a potato into half. We have to do one activity here. We have to cut the potato. We have to make two parts of the potato. Carve out some letter or figures on the cut surface using nail. We have to use the nail and we have to carve any alphabet on the potato, half potato. Dip the surface into ink or color and then press into a piece of paper. And the carved potato, half potato, we have to dip into the ink and we have to press it on the page. Observe what happened. What will you see there? You will see the shape of nail or alphabet which we have carved on the potato. Next, seals and pots. The seals of Harappa civilization were mainly square shape. See the seals which are there. In which shape were those? They were mainly square shape and made from stone called satellite. Statite. See, the stone which was the seals were made by statite. These seals bear pictures of animals, and if you see these seals, the pictures of animals were there. They include pictures of real animals like bulls, buffaloes, oxen, elephants, rhinos, tigers, etc. And which are the animals pictures were there? Bull picture was there, buffalo, oxen, elephant, rhinos, tigers, etc. pictures were there on the seals, and also of imaginary one like the unicorn, and the unicorn pictures was also there. Human figures are also seen, and some other human figures were also there on the seals. These seals were used as stamps, and these seals the people they used to use as a stamp. Earthen pots of various types and shapes have been found at the excavations. See, when excavation has done, so many earthen pots were found, and the earthen pots they had various types of shapes. Understood? Now here I will show you the seals. See, here the seals are there, and here you can see the different animals on the seals. Yes. Now shall we go to the page number 12? Now do this. Interview a person skilled in making earthen pot to learn how they are made. See, if you have any potter in your area who makes the earthen pot, you have to take an interview of that person, how they are making, what type of clay is used, and which question you have to ask to that person, which clay you are using for make this earthen pot, where do we get the clay, and from where you are getting this clay, how much time is needed to make one pot, and for making one pot how much time is need. That questions you have to ask. Now sites of Harappa civilization. See, there are red terracotta pots with patterns and designs in black color. In Harappa civilization, some terracotta pots, those they had designs in black color, were found. I will show you the picture. The patterns include fish scales, interlocking circles, people leaves, etc. What was the design? See, interlocking circles were there, fish scales were there, people leaves, etc. The Harappa people buried their dead. When the Harappa people they were getting dead, they used to bury the dead body. They used to bury earthen pots with the bodies, and even no, if the person died from the Harappa civilization, they used to bury one earthen pot with that person. Now next, see here I have told you earthware. See, different shape they have. These are the different pots of the Harappa civilization. Okay, the next we will see in the next video. I will make two parts of the lesson. These all the two parts you have to see. Even I will make one video of the exercise, that the link I will share for you in the description box. Please see it. Thank you.